Hello, this is a rather unusual perspective, but I got a package. Let's open it. Do I even need a knife? I'm not sure yet. I think this goes to the front. Let's have a look. It's gonna be a little work. So here we go. Oh, to my surprise, it's the Apple AirTags, the 4-pack. They were supposed to deliver it on the 5th. I got an email yesterday for the 5th of May. So happy that they're here today. And as you've seen in many other videos already, the unboxing experience is rather funny. I mean, it literally looks like something super small. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Yeah, I will make a shorter video later on how it feels with the installation of one, how it looks like, but other people did that as well, so that's on my side. I got my AirTags. I'm happy.